Hanwha Vision's OnCloud is designed to make viewing live and recorded video as easy as possible. On the camera page, you'll notice that there are several areas of interest in the camera's viewing interface. The viewing pane, which is where we will be viewing live and recorded video. The events panel, where you can review analytics events that have been captured along with the thumbnail of the event. And the timeline, which holds the controls for viewing live and recorded video as well as other important functions. As mentioned before, the timeline holds all essential controls needed to operate your camera. The pause button allows you to pause live or recorded video during playback. The speaker button allows you to mute or unmute a camera's microphone feed. The expand button can be used to bring your video pane to full screen. When reviewing recorded video, the timeline can be segmented between seconds, minutes, and days by clicking on the interval button. Clicking and dragging the timeline will allow you to move forward and backwards, or scrub, through recorded video. The date and time of the video you are viewing will appear above the center of the timeline while doing so. Change the speed of playback by clicking the speed button, which toggles between 1x and 8x speed. The dots on the timeline are events captured by the camera. When reviewing a recorded video, the skip buttons will appear in your timeline controls. By default, clicking on the skip buttons will move your timeline from one captured event to the next. These controls can be set to skip forward or backwards by a specific time interval instead of by event within the camera settings by clicking the settings icon denoted by a gear. OnCloud has provided users with the ability to browse by date and time and to browse by events. To review video by date and time, click the calendar icon above the timeline. Select a date and time, then click Apply. When browsing video by events, go to the Events panel located on the right side of the screen. All analytics events captured by the camera will be displayed here. Clicking on an event will recall it in the camera's viewing pane. Use the sliders to filter events by event type. Click the calendar icon in the Events panel to select a specific date and time. This will give you a list of events that were captured around the selected date and time. Clicking the grid icon will allow you to click and drag an area of the video to produce a list of events that took place within that selection. These options can all be used in combination with each other to produce the results you are looking for. If you would like to return to live monitoring at any time, click the Go Live button to return to the camera's live feed. Live and recorded video can be saved as an image or a video clip. Clicking the camera icon saves a snapshot of the video on screen. Clicking the Clips icon denoted by a film strip allows you to create a video clip from a time selection. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.